Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, Billing Discrepancy.
Excuse me, cashier. I just noticed there's an extra charge on the bill for a dish we didn't order.
I apologize for the mistake, Mike. Let me correct that for you.
We want to make sure we're only paying for what we actually had.
Absolutely, Mike. I appreciate your understanding. I'll adjust the bill right away.
Thank you for addressing this promptly.
I apologize for any inconvenience. Your final bill will accurately reflect your order.
Dialogue 2, No Vegetarian Options.
Hi, waiter. I couldn't find any vegetarian options on the menu. Do you have any dishes without meat?
I apologize for the oversight, Natalie. We do have a vegetarian section. Let me guide you through those options.
I was hoping for more variety. It seems the vegetarian choices are quite limited.
I understand, Natalie. We appreciate your feedback, and I'll make sure to convey it to the chef.
Thank you. I hope the restaurant can consider expanding the vegetarian menu.
Your suggestion is noted. We aim to cater to all dietary preferences.
Dialogue 3, Noisy Environment.
Hi, manager. The noise level in the restaurant is quite high, making it hard to have a conversation.
I apologize for the inconvenience, Chris. Let me see if we can adjust the music volume and address the noise issue.
It's challenging to enjoy the meal with all the background noise. Thank you for addressing this. We appreciate your efforts.
Your satisfaction is important to us. We'll make the necessary adjustments.
Dialogue 4, Cold Food.
Excuse me, waiter. The pasta I ordered is cold. It's supposed to be served hot.
I'm sorry to hear that, Eva. Let me take it back to the kitchen, and I'll have a fresh, hot plate prepared for you.
I was really looking forward to a warm meal.
I understand, Eva. Your satisfaction is our priority, and I'll make sure the new dish is piping hot.
Thank you for addressing this. I appreciate your quick response.
I apologize for any inconvenience. Your new dish will be ready shortly.
Dialogue 5, Forgotten Drink Order.
Hi, waiter. We ordered drinks when we first sat down, but they still haven't arrived.
I apologize for the oversight, Jason. Let me check on your drink order and get them for you right away.
We were hoping to enjoy our cocktails with the appetizers.
I understand, Jason. I'll expedite your drink order, and I appreciate your patience.
Thank you for taking care of this. We're looking forward to the rest of our meal.
I apologize for any inconvenience. Your drinks will be at your table shortly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.